Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So बच्चों, my name is Bhagyashree. Okay, and today, okay, we are going to talk about social science. Okay, so what is social science? क्या आपको पता है social science में क्या क्या आता है? Social science में आती है information, जिसमें आती है information about you, information about things in general, information about science हो गया, transport हो गया, we're going to talk about history, we are going to talk about geography. So we are going to talk about everything in detail. Okay, so in this book we are going to talk about, say, the world, we are going to talk about the time, the travel, we are going to talk about yourself. Okay, so are you ready to take this journey with me, जहाँ पे हमें in depth knowledge मिलने वाला है about all these different concepts, and I'm sure when you come across these things in reality, you are going to relate it in a much better manner, and it's going to be easy for you to understand कि हमारे आस पास ये सारी चीजें होती कैसे है और क्यों होती है, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके आसपास घर है, सो व्हाई डू वी नीड अ हाउस? सो ये सारी जनरल टॉपिक्स है जिसके बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स टेक दिस जर्नी. लेट्स बिगिन.
Chapter 17, History of the Wheel. So बच्चों, we have already studied some part of this chapter when we studied about the transport system. So now let's talk about this in detail in the chapter History of the Wheel. So wheel कैसे बनाया गया था उसकी history जानते हैं हम लोग in detail now. Alright? So how was the wheel invented? व्हील का इन्वेंशन कैसे हुआ एंड हाउ आर व्हील्स यूजफुल, और व्हील्स कैसे यूजफुल है इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट इन दिस चैप्टर. सो हाउ वाज द व्हील इन्वेंटेड? चलो देखते हैं कि हाउ द व्हील वाज इन्वेंटेड. Man has invented a number of things in order to make his life comfortable. He has progressed because of these inventions. One of the most important invention was the wheel. Early man used animals to move goods from one place to another. One day, early man observed logs of wood rolling down a hill or a slope. So, man जो है, human beings जो है, उन्होंने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें invent किए अपनी ज़रूरत के हिसाब से, okay? And in order to make their life comfortable also. So, जैसे जैसे inventions होते गए, वैसे वैसे life में progress होती गई, okay? So, इसी में एक सबसे बड़ा इन्वेंशन जो किया गया था, दैट वॉज द इन्वेंशन ऑफ द व्हील. सो अर्ली मैन, पहले जो इंसान थे, ओके, वो एनिमल्स पे मूव अराउंड करते थे. आइदर दे यूज्ड टू गो ऑन द एनिमल बैक, या फिर अपने जो भी सामान होता था उसको एनिमल के बैक पे रखते थे एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू वॉक. ओके, सो एक दिन अर्ली मैन ने ऑब्जर्व किया कि वुड जो है उसके लॉग्स जो है वो ऐसे स्लोप पे रोल हो रहे. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट. सो व्हेन द अर्ली मैन सॉ that these logs of wood, they are rolling down the slope, okay, this must have given him the idea to use a wheel for transportation. So तभी उनको आइडिया आया कि इस log को हम लोग कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं so that it can be used for transportation, because जब वो रोल हो गया so it moved down very quickly. So in olden times wheels were cut out of big piles of wood. So wheels के shape में उनको cut out करने लगे. Okay, they were thus heavy and difficult for the animals to pull. But वो heavy थे. Okay, wood is heavy, so they were heavy. तो animals को वो attach भी कर देते थे. Okay, it used to be difficult for them to pull it because wood does not have that friction. Okay, so later the idea of spokes in a wheel developed. Okay, this technique made the wheel lighter and now they also moved faster. फिर उसके बाद उनको आइडिया आई कि इसमें हम स्पोक्स बना देंगे. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स इट इज़ कनेक्टेड ऑल्सो एंड एट द सेम टाइम उसका वेट कम हो जाएगा, लाइट वेट हो जाएगा, इट कैन मूव फास्टर ऑल्सो एंड इट विल बी ईजियर ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दैट्स हाउ दे further developed it. Good to know. Nowadays, wheels are made of rubber. So, आजकल rubber is used to make wheels, which is much lighter than a block of wood. So, how are wheels useful? The use of wheel can be seen in any mode of transport, be it a cycle, scooter or a motorcycle. Wheels are also used in pulleys to draw water from a well, for spinning thread and in pottery. So wheels जो है वो अलग अलग मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट में यूज़ हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि साइकिल हो गया, स्कूटर हो गया, मोटरसाइकिल. ओके, एट द सेम टाइम आप देखोगे कि पानी से इन अ वेल, ओके, अगर आपको पानी बाहर निकालना है वेल में से भी, तो वो जो पुली बनता है उसमें भी व्हील अटैच करते हैं. सो द व्हील की वजह से वो पानी जो है आसानी से, दैट रोप मूव्स ऑन दैट व्हील एंड यू आर एबल टू ड्रॉ द वाटर, ओके, फ्रॉम द बकेट. सो उसमें ज़्यादा you don't have to put lot of energy also in that. Okay, so at the same time spinning thread बनाने के लिए, in order to spin the thread you need a wheel, जो चरखा यूज़ होता है. ओके, पॉटरी, जो कुम्हार होता है वो पॉटरी बनाने के लिए यूजेस अ व्हील. ओके, सो व्हील पे ऐसे घुमा के दे मेक डिफरेंट मोल्ड्स एंड फ्रॉम देयर दे मेक पॉटरी. ओके, पॉट्स आर मेड. Wheels are also used in ships and boats for changing the direction. So wheels की वजह से ships and boats also can change the direction. Okay, so आपने देखा there is a steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel helps the boat to change the direction. Okay, likewise in the cars also we have a steering wheel. So today the wheel has become a very important part of our lives. Okay, wheels are also used to produce energy through water wheels. Okay, so wheels also help in the making of energy. Okay, it is also known as turbines. The wheel has changed the way we live. We cannot think of life without it. So wheels ने actually हमारे life को totally change कर दिया है. So it is being developed further and further and further. नए inventions होते ही रहते हैं. Okay, but yes, the invention which the early man had done for us, okay, it has really been very useful for us in today's life as well. So check yourself. You have to make a list of things you see around that have wheels. तो आपके आसपास जो भी चीज़ें आपको दिखती है जिसमें wheels attached है, उसके बारे में आपको लिस्ट बनानी है. Okay, so now I know the wheel is one of the most important invention of man. Wheels with spokes are lighter and this made movement faster. Okay, so wheel जो है, it is one of the most important invention that a man has done. Okay, और wheels में जब spokes लगाते हैं तो वो और lighter हो जाता है. Okay, और उसकी movement भी fast हो जाती है. There are many different types of vehicles that run on wheels. Okay, and wheels also are used to produce energy. Clear? So children, do revise this chapter and reread the chapter nicely because you ought to do the practice zone exercises. A. Oral questions. Can a vehicle travel without wheels? कोई भी vehicle ऐसा है जो wheels के बिना travel कर सकता है? That is what you have to tell us. To write the names of 4 vehicles. Okay, आपको कोई भी 4 vehicles के नाम बताने. So there is one such vehicle which you can use without wheels. Okay, guess what it is? It can be a boat. Okay, boat को आपको row करना पड़ता है using you use oars to row the boat. Okay, so that is one such vehicle which can be used without wheels in it. Okay, so up next one is you have to tell us the 4 vehicles. Okay, any name of any 4 vehicles. Tick the correct option. Dash have made our lives comfortable. Wheels, inventions or cards? It's the wheels. Okay, likewise do the rest of them. See, fill in the blanks. In olden times, dash were used for moving goods. So in the olden times, animals were used for moving goods. Okay, write T for true and F for false statement. Children, do not forget to complete the exercises. Alright, so true and false. Early man used machines to move goods from one place to another. False, early man used animals. Okay, or he used to go on foot. Okay, from one place to another. and for goods you used animals. Answer the following questions. How did early man transport goods before the invention of vehicles? So you have to write about this in detail now, okay, and then do the rest of the question answers. Critical thinking. How are wheels used for entertaining people? Okay, so लोगों को entertain करने के लिए how are wheels used is what you have to tell us. Experiential learning, you have to find pictures about the different types of wheels that are being used and stick them in a scrapbook. Life skills and value, find out why we need to fill out tires with air. Okay, why do we need to fill air in the tires is what you have to tell us, and what will happen if there is no air in the टायर. आपके पास अगर साइकिल है, आपने देखा होगा कि साइकिल में जब हवा नहीं होती है तो क्या हो जाता है, टायर पंक्चर हो जाता है और फिर वो आप नहीं चला पाते हो. सो now you have to put this in your own words and tell us, okay. So but before you write about all these things, do finish reading the chapter and complete all the exercises as well.
So children, I am sure कि आपने अब तक जितने भी concepts मेरे साथ पढ़े हैं, those concepts are pretty clear now and you're going to start relating to them in reality also. तो ताकि आपको पता चलेगा कि how much you followed through whatever we have learned. So बच्चों, for that, what else do you need to do? Yes, absolutely true. You need to reread the chapter, revise whatever we have done properly. Okay, do not forget कि आपको सारे exercises complete करने हैं. If there is any project involved, any activity involved, वो भी करनी है. And you also have to share the knowledge about what you've learned with your friends, with your family and everyone around you. Alright, so until we meet again, thank you children. Bye-bye.